Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install Instagram. So first of all, you open the Google Play Store on your mobile device if you are using the Android device. For the iOS device, you need to tap upon the Apple Store. So once you have opened the Google Play Store, you need to tap on search bar and then type in Instagram. And then tap on search. This will show you the search result for the app. You tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Instagram is a photo and video sharing social networking services. It helps you stay connected with the people around you, and you will also be able to know their daily routine through the stories or the posts that they have made. Instagram allows you to create and share your photos, stories and videos with the friends and the followers you care about. The application has been fully downloaded. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Instagram application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.